Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix update error 0x80244022, then let's have a look at the following options. The first solution or option would be to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. So right click on Start, go to Settings, System, look for Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, and click Run on the Windows Update Troubleshooter, the corresponding to the Windows Update, and it should solve the problem. If that doesn't work, just restart the computer. The third solution would be is to sync the date and time. So that should help get rid of this error. We'll go to time and language, date and time, set time zone automatically, set time automatically. Both these boxes should be checked as in the on position, and then just sync. And sync is successful. That should resolve the error. Now if none of these options work, the last option is to install the updates manually. And how do we do that? We'll open the browser, look for Windows Update Catalog, and we will click on this link. Enter the current month / the current year and click search or press enter. Now we have to look for the cumulative update for the system that we require. So I run an x64 based system. So I have to look at the cumulative update for the month and the year that I entered. So this is cumulative update for Windows 11's x64 based systems. I'll click on download and I will click on the MSU link and it will start downloading. Just open the folder after it downloads and click on the installation button. It should update all the current Windows drivers. And this error should disappear. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.